Yo, join the live. What up, TikTok? Hey, Zeus, what up? Oscar, Gerardo, Manuel, what up? What up? Jerry, like the live for me. Like the live for me. Come on in. I had to find me some free music that was copyright free because they be flagging me for playing music and copyright. So I had to find some free copyright music. What up, y'all? TD, George, what up, Victor? Do me a favor, y'all. Like the live. Please like it, share it. Let everybody know we on the live right now. Tonight I'm going to be talking about the law of attraction. The law of attraction. We've been going over the 11 laws of manifestation in my core curriculum. And so far we've been doing phenomenal. All right? I've been getting a lot of responses from a lot of people saying that the program has been helping them out. And the laws have been giving them motivation every day to pursue their passion in real estate. So today we're going to talk about the third law, which is the law of attraction, and how you can create and manifest success in real estate. We have to know that God gave us our gift of our subconscious mind, and we can co-create our reality. All right? This is something that we must know. And within the law of attraction, you got to know it's the single most powerful law in the universe. You may attract success, a financial windfall, speeding tickets, bad health. Your thoughts and feelings are the direct result in attracting that what in your life. And you got to think about it. What's always that problem that's bothering you? You know, whether it's, I'm not having success in real estate. I'm not getting enough deals. I'm always getting rejected. You got to realize you're thinking these things. You have to rearrange your thinking so you can learn how to operate within the laws of the universe that God created us, that God created for us, excuse me. If you think of yourself as a magnetic force, attracting all things such as people and events to you, you are attracting everything you've been thinking about. It's no one else's fault but you. You have to learn how to reprogram your mind. The law of attraction affects all people, whether you believe it or not. Everything in the universe is made up of energy. Our thoughts are energy, so hence, you have an energy field around you at all times. This energy attracts that what in your life. All right? And one advice I can tell you is you need to watch the people that you're hanging around because they carry a certain energy that can affect your life. If their energy is negative and their energy isn't positive, it's going to affect you. There was an old saying my granddad used to say a long time ago. He said, if 5 of your friends are broke, busted, and disgusted, you're going to be the 6th one. Eventually. You got to get innate passion inside of yourself to separate yourself, get by yourself, and harness the power that's already inside of you. If you don't know it's inside of you, you're going to suppress it, and you're going to experience a lot of lack in your life. Before you experience success in real estate, you got to get your mindset right. And that's why in the coaching program, we go over the 11 laws of manifestation before we even talk about the strategies. Because it helps you align yourself with your purpose. It helps you get your desire increased so you can become more focused and more fulfilled in what you're trying to do. You can't just have a goal of money, all right? So that's the third law I wanted to bring you guys tonight, the law of attraction, which is one of the most powerful laws in the universe. If you want to learn more about these laws, you can learn it in my book I have. It's called Power Moves. Power Moves. You can get this book on Amazon, or you can go to blueprint.madpapercoaching.com and you can get the book for free, okay? This is a powerful self-development book that will teach you these laws so you can have more success in your life, all right? Now, I hope you're taking notes, and I hope you write this down, and I hope you apply it. Don't just listen to this live recording and, waste time. See how you can sit down and try to make a change with your life with the powers that's already inside of you, okay? Now, for you all that's watching this live, if you got any questions for me, let me know. I can help you out, whether it's in real estate, if you're stuck somewhere, if you needing help with contracts, negotiation, talking to sellers or buyers. If you need to know how to find buyers, let me know. If you need help in self-development, if you're going through something in life, if it's hard for you to move forward with negative thoughts, call me. You know, hit me up on the live, comment, and I'll help you out and guide you and show you a way where you can have success when you're going through pain. You got to learn how to turn your pain over into triumph, guys, and I can show you how. Remember, the coaching program is blueprint.madpapercoaching.com. I have virtual coaching for $47 a month, and I also have a one-on-one coaching program. All right? Now, of course, you can see my goal on my live. Help me fulfill my goal, and I'm going to start a new mission to give out free stuff. So if you guys help me fulfill my goal, I'm going to start giving out free contracts, free game plan calls, 30 minutes. I'm going to give out free buyers if you're in my local area. I'm going to start giving out free things to make the live more interactive. All right? So I hope you guys enjoyed this live. I'm going to wait a little minute to see if we got any questions, and I'm going to let you go and have a good night. Any questions, y'all let me know. Roberto, Emery. The law of attraction, guys. Remember, what you think about and what you focus on is what you're going to attract into your life. That's the third law. Tomorrow we're going over the fourth law. Not going to tell you what it is. You just have to tune in, all right? Oh yeah, ask me about real estate. If you want the cap, the product tab is up there up top. You can click it, get you a hat, man. It's a great lead generator. It gets people talking. Oh, we got a message. Where is it? All right, y'all. I'll see y'all later. Y'all have a good night.